say alisema hiyo as much as nakaa bibi bunduki.
Nothing yet. So I want to wish you all the best as a
We'll have very conscious reporting where we are very conscious about conflict sensitive reporting, and especially election reporting and political reporting. This will help our country to progress and move forward so that journalism create harmony and bring unity and bring all the issues to perspective, and including everyone, both women, youth and person with disability, and the different political parties and the different politicians. That everybody should be included when the journalists are reporting. Sometimes reporting may lack a few of the factual information, so you are exposing the journalists to the factual information that they need to capture when they are reporting, especially about politics and political parties, and also towards the next general election. For Kajiado County, it's very sad that we don't have even one person, even an MC, even an MP, even anybody, except the women rep, which is by default. So we are concerned, and I think that's why we shall continue engaging not only with the women themselves, but also with the media, so that the media in Kajiado is able to report about the efforts that women are actually putting in place as we move towards 2027.